hoping that air is out and gas is coming. Here you go. And now you have your pilot. You have to still keep it for a few seconds to make sure that thermocouple is getting warm and is giving the all connections. I'm going to take my hand off. Still make sure the pilot is there. Is it? Yes or no?
No.
Here you go. Show the pilot. Show the pilot light. Pilot ışınmadı. Is there? Yes.
Yeah.
Wait for a few seconds. Amcını gather. It's getting warm. I brought it in, it was about -5, -4 degrees, so the whole thing is cold. Might it take a bit time for the thermocouple to be warm. Here you go, we're getting the status signal. Here, as you see, light is coming and going, it's giving signal that power reached to the gas valve. Now we're going to take our hand off. Let's see if the signal is still coming. Yes. And now the pilot, show the pilot. Pilot is on. Here you go. Now we're going to turn the tap, the thing back to, let's say, hot or very hot. Now the whole burner is on now. You can see the status light green that shows as a heartbeat. When it comes as a heartbeat, means everything is working. Now it depends to the customer that which degree of hot water he is looking for. Very hot is not really recommended because then it has to keep the 40 gallon of the tank as a very hot water. Usually at this kind we put it hot A or hot B, which is perfect. Anytime they feel they need more hot water, they can always turn the knob to anything else. So I'll repeat the process one more time. When you install in the new tank, first you have to bring your knob to the pilot, push it to release the gas. Might take few minutes, sometimes even, to purge the air. Then you click with the igniter, pilot igniter. After a few times you will see the pilot there. When the pilot comes, then you have to wait for signal. When the green button starts to give you a signal, it means thermocouple is warm and is getting connected. Then you can let the pilot go and turn it to any condition that you like. And now we have this one. So we believe for first few minutes or even up to half an hour, you might see condensation all over the tank, and that condensation is because it's first time that it's getting hot. Inside is hot, outside is cold. It gives the condensation, and after that will be all okay. Let me put the door back, the stop door back here. Here you go. Now you have 40 gallon naturally vented, draft food vented, and I believe still there is air in the system. as you see, coming solid, no air, so means tank is full. But it doesn't mean the pipe in the house is still, they might carry some air in it that as soon as they open it, maybe a little bit of dirty water comes first, and after that all will be okay.